Hello, today we will guide you through how to forward Outlook email to another email. To begin, open the Microsoft Outlook application. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or by signing in through the Outlook website if that is how you normally access your email. Once Outlook is open, give it a moment to fully load so your folders and messages appear clearly on the screen. Next, look to the left side panel where Outlook displays your main mail folders. This is where you will usually find folders like Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, and others. For this process, you'll want to locate the Inbox folder since that is where incoming messages are typically stored. When you see Inbox in the left panel, click on it to open your list of received emails. This will bring up the messages currently in your inbox so you can choose the one you want to forward. If your inbox is crowded, take a second to identify the correct email before moving on, especially if there are several similar messages. Now click on the sample mail you want to forward. Opening the email first is important because it allows Outlook to display the full message and the actions available for that message. Make sure you've selected the correct email, since forwarding will send a copy of its contents to someone else. With the email open, move to the top right area of the screen and click on Forward. This option creates a new outgoing message that includes the original email content. Forwarding is useful when you need to share information exactly as you received it without copying and pasting the message manually. After that, enter the email address you want to forward the message to. Be careful when typing the recipient's address so the email goes to the right person. If Outlook suggests matching contacts as you type, you can select the correct one from the list. It's always a good idea to quickly double-check the address before sending, especially if the message contains important information. Once everything looks correct, click Send. Outlook will then forward the selected email to the address you entered. At that point, the process is complete. And that's how to forward an Outlook email to another email address. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other message in your inbox.